Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all fit and fine at home. Today we are going to read a poem, Rain in Summer. Rain in Summer is written by an American poet, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. I know very well that we all are happy to see rain in summer. But what does poet want to say through this poem, Rain in Summer? He explains that rain is a blessing for several reasons. It brings respite from the summer heat, and he explains how rain affects different places and different people in a positive way. So, here we will start. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it glitters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. In the first part, poet depicts the broad streets, narrow lanes, gutters, which indicates the life of a town. Poet says that rain looks very beautiful after the extreme heat and dust. When the rain comes in the fiery street and the broad and narrow street, and it looks too beautiful. After that, poet comparison the sound of the rain with the clattering along the roof. When rain comes from the roof, it creates a sound like clattering. And the second comparison he does with the tramp of hooves. Tramp, heavy sound of heavy steps of animal. Poet in these two lines does comparison of the sound of the rain with the clattering and tramp. After that, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout across the window pane. When rain comes along the window pane, it pours, it continuously flows, and swift and wide with the muddy tide, and mixed with the muddy tide, it like a river down the gutter roads. Poet says that rain water when goes to the gutter also creating a sound like river. So, poet here welcomes the rain. Then, the sick man from his chamber looks at the twist brooks. He can feel the cool breath of each little pool. His fevered brain grows calm again, and he breathes a blessing on the rain. In these lines, poet is talking about the sick person who talks, who feels very calm and coolness from his bed. Chamber, bed. A sick person feels very coolness from his bed when he sees that the twist brooks, when he sees that the little streams or the pool made by the rain. Breathe of each little pool his fevered brain. He feels now very relief and very comfort from his sickness. Grows calm again, feels calmness. And he breathes a blessing on the rain. He says that, a sick person says that rain is blessing for him because now he was feeling very coolness, very comfort from his sickness. After that, in these lines, poet is talking about the schoolboys. From the neighboring school come the boys with more than their wonted noise and commotion, and down the wet streets sail their mimic fleets till the treacherous pool. In these lines, poet is talking about the schoolboys. Schoolboys, when come, then they make a lot of noise. They feel very happiness too to see the rain. They make the paper boats. And down the wet streets sail their mimic fleets. Mimic fleet means paper boats. Till the treacherous pool. That is why poet says treacherous pool. Treacherous means disloyal. Because rainwater also, poet says that, mixed with the muddy water. So that's why boys don't see that this pool is clean or not. Boys enjoy it here by making a paper boats and sail.